We just got a dog and his name is Winnie. No, Winnie.
No.
Alright.
No.
I'll show you more.
He's literally so cute. Oh my god.
Say hi, Winnie. He's falling asleep.
He doesn't like the camera, I think.
This little camera shy boy. He's so cute though. But yeah, we're in a car right now. And here we have our 10-week-old puppy, Winnie. Say hi to the camera, Winnie. He's so cute. He's so precious. I literally love this dog. Winnie. Winnie. Here. Pop, 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 pop. Shivani is my sister, and she's playing with Winnie with the ball.
You don't want the ball?
Throw the ball. Hold on.
You don't want the ball? Don't want the ball? Since when?
Winnie. He's so cute. Winnie. Here we have a dog with his ball. Oh wait. Oh no. Okay. And now where is he going? Well, hi, Winnie. Oh. Alright, ready, Winnie? Ready? Oh, where's he going? Oh my god! Hi, so the lighting kind of sucks and I know that, but I just wanted to show you for a quick minute my Polaroid of Winnie. I took this the first day, I think, but isn't he just so cute? I love him. Oh. So yeah, that's the gist, and yeah, so I will see you guys soon. Like this video, subscribe, and yeah, let me know what you want to see. Bye!